Welcome to our guide on starting a business in Indonesia. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your business up and running in this vibrant market. First, conduct thorough market research. Understand the demand, competition, and target audience in Indonesia. Choose the right legal structure for your business. Options include a sole proprietorship, partnership, or a limited liability company. Create a detailed business plan. This will serve as your roadmap and help attract investors. Register your business with the Indonesian government. Ensure you have all required documents, such as your business name, address, and identification. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. This may vary depending on your industry. Set up your business finances. Open a local bank account and establish a bookkeeping system. Hire the right talent for your business. Understand the local labor laws and employment regulations. Develop a strong marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Utilize both online and offline marketing channels. For more detailed assistance in starting your business in Indonesia, contact 3E Accounting at 3ecpa.co.id or email us at info@3ecpa.co.id. We're here to help you succeed.